What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
Coming at you with another recipe video. This one is the
breakfast stuffed mushrooms.
Breakfast stuffed mushrooms.
Stuffed
Look at the size
mushrooms.
of these mushroom caps, by the way.
Yeah, these are pretty large.
Pretty big. All right. So we got some mushroom caps. We got 4 eggs.
Yep.
We got, how much cream cheese you putting in here?
A full thing of cream cheese.
Full block of cream cheese.
1 cup of regular cheese. 1 pound of chorizo. You can use like breakfast sausage or whatever you want. This is the cleanest thing that we could find that was going to work well for this recipe. And then this is 1 pound or 1 package of bacon already pre-cooked.
Let me cook the chorizo first.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and put the chorizo on there, and then we're also gonna stick this in the oven with a little bit of oil. Oh yeah, forgot. Oil as well. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil on the top here, and it's just to get it softened enough so that we're able to fit a little bit more of the food in there. So if you wanna start that. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon and try to separate it between the 4 of these guys.
1 tablespoon between the 4?
Yeah. You don't need a whole lot of oil. It's really just to get these softened up. The oven is on 400 degrees. And I previously took the stem out of the center. You can also take the, what is this called, ribbing?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Out as well, depending on how deep you want it. So if you want more meat and cheese in there, then you can definitely take it out. But if you want the thickness of the mushroom, then leave it in. So I'm going to stick this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and add some of this cream cheese to the meat mixture and just get it melted in right in there.
Alright, so we're only going to go with the half block of cream cheese. I feel like I want to be able to taste more of the chorizo than the cream cheese.
We're going to overdo the cream cheese for a second. So the oven's going off. I'm going to go grab those real quick. These already smell so good.
Did you want me to put the eggs in here, you said?
Yes. So next we're gonna go.
Timer?
Oh yeah. So next thing we're gonna do is put the eggs into the same mixture and cook it up most of the way. Because really all we're doing with the oven with the mushrooms at the end is just warming everything up, melting it together, and then it should be good to go.
Some calcium there.
And I'm going to add some seasonings to this. Adding a little bit of Redmond real salt. And a little bit of garlic powder as well.
Looking good.
Smells so good. That chorizo. Scrumptious. Good?
Good.
Alright, so we're just gonna try to evenly distribute these into there. And we're just gonna top all of these off with the cheese and bacon. So just make sure that you're leaving enough room on the top for those. This is a good idea if you're having anyone coming over to visit, and you want everyone to be able to eat warm food all at the same time. It's a really good way of doing it. This one needs a little bit more love.
More love, huh?
Mm-hmm. I'll just go with a spoon. Do that one a little bit. Yum, those look delicious. Steal a little bit of it over there.
Woo. It's like not.
All right, so now we're really just gonna distribute the cheese and the bacon. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese on all of them.
Let me follow you with the bacon.
Sure.
This is gonna be good, y'all. Can already tell.
All right, so the oven is still on 400 degrees. So we're just gonna stick these back in the oven for about 5-7 minutes or so, and then we will meet you guys right back in. All right, so it's been about 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out and we will taste test.
Ooh la la.
Does look pretty delicious.
It does look bomb diggity. Should we use like a knife to
diggity.
get into them, or just go for it?
Maybe we should use a knife probably. 1, 2, 3.
Cut it up.
Yeah, just.
Kind of want to just like grab it.
I would have
like
cut it in half.
All right. Bon appetit. Let's go for it.
Oh my goodness, cheesy. That's good. Yep.
Mushrooms
That's
have
actually
such
really
like this umami flavor. You know, throwing those big words out there, but it's really good. You get that for sure. I haven't had a portobello mushroom in a long time. This is hitting the spot. Anything you would change?
No, I honestly thought
Oh, that's your piece.
that was like the best bite. I was like, no. It had like the perfect amount of bacon on it and everything.
Sorry.
Anywho, I was actually a little afraid that these were going to be a little too thick of mushrooms and be just a little bit too meaty for what was inside of it, but it is perfect.
Yeah. So, for the complete recipe breakdown, the video, the macros, the how-to, check out the website, ketosavage.com. Make yourself some stuffed mushrooms, and
Great option for meal prep. You can literally make one of these like a single option if you're trying to count your macros and trying to stay within a macro ratio. Also for competition prep is a really good option. Mostly ground meat, mushrooms, and eggs are what I stuck to like my entire prep. So this would be like a perfect meal for you to base off of. So
boom. I'm gonna eat the rest of this right now. So we'll see you next time. Ta-ta for now.